Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about how to find out the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees angles. So how to find out? For finding out these values here, you have to consider an equilateral triangle. Here, ABC is an equilateral triangle. In this equilateral triangle is nothing but three sides are also equal as well as three angles are also equal. So, AB equal to BC equal to CA. These three sides are equal as well as three angles. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. And each angle equal to 60 degrees. Why? Because sum of the angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So each angle equal to 60 degrees. So angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C, that equal to 60 degrees. And one more thing here, each side value also you have to assume. Three sides are equal, but here we are assuming, just let us assume each side value equal to 2A units. Three sides are equal, AB equal to BC equal to CA, that equal to 2A units. Now, after that, just you should draw one perpendicular line, that is AD. AD is a perpendicular line to side BC. Whenever if you draw this perpendicular line, this line AD acts as a angle bisector of angle A. So, angle bisector is nothing but bi is nothing but a 2, sector is nothing but parts. Bisector is nothing but is divided into two equal parts. It acts as the angle bisector is nothing but that angle is divided into two equal parts. As well as bisector is nothing but the side bisector. That means the side is divided into two equal parts. Is it clear? So this AD perpendicular line acts as an angle bisector of angle A. So that means A angle is divided into two equal parts. So here you have to mention that here 30 degrees and here is also 30 degrees. And these two angles equal to 60. Each angle equal to 60. Again this AD is the bisector of side BC. That means that BC side is divided into two equal parts. That is BD equal to DC. That means where BC equal to we already assumed as 2A units. Then BD equal to this BD equal to half of BC. That BD equal to half of BC. So half into where BC we already assumed equal to 2A units. Half into 2A, 2 and 2 cancel, you will get A units. BD equal to A. As well as BC is also equal to A. First you have to find out and write all the angles as well as the side values in this triangle. Later, what you have to find out? Trigonometric ratios of some angles. Those two angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. For finding of trigonometric ratios of any other angle, those trigonometric ratios formulas are related to the sides of a right angle triangle only. So, right angle triangle only. So, what you have to do in this equilateral triangle, you have to consider one right angle triangle. That is ABD is an is a right angle triangle, as well as ABC is also another right angle triangle. You can consider any of the right angle triangle. Why? Because both are equal. Now here I am consider right angle triangle ABD. ABD is an equilateral. ABC is an equilateral triangle and ABD is a right angle triangle. Now consider right angle triangle ABD. ABD is a equilateral. ABD is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, what are the sides? AB is one of the side and BD is another side and DA or AD, that is the third side. In this right angle triangle, we have another formula. We know that by using the Pythagoras theorem, sides related formula means only one formula is there, that is according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to sum of the sides of the two other sides. Otherwise, hypotenuse square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. In this right angle triangle AB, that is the hypotenuse. This is the longest side in this right angle triangle. You can consider, you can remember like this. This is the hypotenuse. Otherwise, this is slope line, slant line. See, that is the hypotenuse. And remaining two are the sides. And here, this value equal to A. And this side value we don't know. That side we have to find out. Now, then what's the formula? According to that, whenever we know these two sides values, then apply that Pythagoras theorem for finding out the third side of the right angle triangle. Now, we have AB and BD values we know. Then AD value we don't know. First you write here hypotenuse square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. This is according to that Pythagoras theorem. Now here hypotenuse equal to, what is the hypotenuse in this right angle triangle? AB. So AB square equal to BD square plus DA square or AD square. So BD square plus AD square. AD value you have to find out. So AD square equal to AB square minus this side goes to other side, it will become minus. AB square minus BD square. Then we have to find out only the AD value. Then AD equal to square goes to other side, it will become square root. So square root of AB square minus BD square. This is the formula. Directly, if you know, directly you can write. But this is the basic procedure you have to follow like this. Then AD equals square root of AB square minus BD square. Then AD equal to square root of AB square minus BD square. This is the formula you write. Now, where AB square, substitute the values. Where AB equal to how much? 2A. AB square is nothing but 2A whole square minus BD square, where BD equal to A, BD square equal to A square. That equal to square root of 2A whole square is nothing but 2 square as well as A square, where 2 square equal to 4, A square minus A square. 4A square minus A square equal to 3A square, square root of 3A square, that equal to square root 3, square root A square, you can write the square root of 3A square is nothing but square root of 3 into square root of A square. Then here square and the square root will be cancelled. Then you will get square root of 3A. This is the side value, that side is AD. Whenever we know the three sides of a right angle triangle, then you can find out the trigonometric ratios. From the definitions of trigonometric ratios, we know that the definitions are trigonometric ratios. Now just you have to write down trigonometric ratios, 6 trigonometric ratios we know. We have sum, sine, cos, tan, again cosecant, secant and cot. These 6 are the trigonometric ratios. Now one by one we have to write down. So first one is sine. Here this is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Suppose if you are considering 60 degrees is the angle, reference angle. For this 60 degrees reference angle, AD is the opposite side. Here this value we know already, we found this value, that equal to square root of 3A. Now considering 60 degrees angle, sine 60. Whenever I am writing here 60 degrees means 60 degrees is the reference angle. Whenever 60 degrees is the reference angle, then AD is the opposite side. and BD is the adjacent side. AD is the adjacent side. This AB is the hypotenuse, that is common. That won't change, only this opposite side and adjacent side both will interchange. So sine 60 degrees equal to, that means sine theta, where theta is nothing but angle. Here theta equal to 60 degrees, then sine 60, sine theta equal to, write the trigonometric ratio formula. That is opposite side by adjacent side. Then opposite side to the reference angle 60 degrees is AD is the opposite side. You write AD by adjacent side. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is the formula. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Where opposite side is AD, that AD by hypotenuse is AB. That equal to, where AD equal how much? Root 3A. What's the value? By AB equal what's the value? 2A. Just you have to substitute the values. Now, here A and A will be cancelled. That equal to what's the value? Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. As well as cos 60 degrees. Again cos theta. Cos theta equal to, what is that formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side to this reference angle 60 degrees is BD is the adjacent side. By hypotenuse is AB is the hypotenuse. Then where BD equal to how much? A. By AB equal to how much? What's the value? Root 3A. Just substitute the values. Then A and A will be cancelled. Then here anything not there means the meaning is 1. 1 no need to write. That the value equal to 1 by root 3. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 equal to 1 by root 3. As well as tan 60 equal. Tan theta equal, what's the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side equal to how much? Root 3 A by adjacent side equal to A. Now A and A will be cancelled. Remaining value equal to root 3. Now again sin of the cosecant theta. That means cosecant 60. That is reciprocal of sine. From this also you can write using the sines and cos and tan. Otherwise directly from the right angle triangle by using the trigonometric ratios also we can find out the value. Cosec 60 equal to 1 by sin 60. Directly you can write the value 1 by root 3 by 2. That equal to 1 into 1 by means these will become the multiplicative reciprocal. This division will become multiplication and this denominator fraction will become the reciprocal. That means 1 into 2 divided by root 3. 1 into 2 equal to 2 by root 3. This is the value. Now secant 60. Again secant is reciprocal of cos. That equal to 1 by cos 60 degrees. That equal to 1 by, where cos 60 degrees equal to how much? 1 by root 3. Substitute the value. 1 by root 3. Directly you can write 1 into root 3 by 1 by, because one fraction is there in the division. In the numerator, suppose whenever you are doing the division, the fraction is there in the numerator or in the denominator or both in the numerator and denominator. This procedure you have to follow. That is numerator as it is you write, and this will become the multiplicative reciprocal. Then you have to simplify. That equal to 1 into root 3 is root 3. By 1 is nothing but you will get the same value. Next, tan reciprocal is cot. Cot 60 equal to 1 by tan 60. That equal to 1 by, where tan 60 equal to root 3. So 1 by root 3. These are the values of 60 degrees or trigonometric ratios. continue. Now, 30 degrees angle you have to find out. So, trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees angle. 60 degrees already we found the values. Now, sin 30. Here angle equal to 30 degrees. Formula is same. So, sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. But here reference angle is 30 degrees. Whenever you are considering 30 degrees as a reference angle, then for this angle which is the opposite side, that you have to consider as opposite side. So this is the opposite side and this side one it will become the adjacent side. These two will interchange according to the reference angle. So, and this hypotenuse is always same, it won't change. Now opposite side by hypotenuse, which is the opposite side? BD is the opposite side. You write BD by hypotenuse is AB, where BD equal how much? A by hypotenuse equal to how much? 2A. Now, just here A and A cancel, that value equal to 1 by 2. Now, cos 60 degrees, cos 30 degrees, that equal to cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side equal how much here? AB. What is the adjacent side in this right angle triangle? First you have to write down where AD is the adjacent side of this right angle triangle. Now AD by hypotenuse is AB. Where AD equal how much? Root 3A by AB equal how much? 2A. Just substitute the values. And here A and A will be cancelled. Then remaining values are root 3 by 2. This is the value of cos 30 degrees. Now tan 30 degrees. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This is the formula. Right? Opposite side by adjacent side. Where opposite side is, what is opposite side in this right angle triangle? BD by adjacent side is AD. Where BD equal how much? What's the value? A. Where AD equal to root 3 A. Just substitute the values. Next cancellation. A and A will be cancelled. Here anything not there, any other number not there means the meaning is 1. A by A is nothing but 1. So directly can write 1 by root 3. Next, sine reciprocal is cosecant. So cosecant 30 equal to reciprocal cosecant theta equal to, that is the reciprocal of sine theta. So reciprocal means in 1 by sine 30 degrees. Reciprocal is nothing but numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. That means our numerator and denominator both will interchange. So 1 by sine 30. That means 1 by sine 30 equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2, that equal to 1 into 2 by 1, that equal to 2. Now secant 30. Secant theta. Secant is reciprocal of cos. So 1 by cos 30. Where cos 30 equal how much? Root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 by 2. Again it will become reciprocal 2 by root 3. 1 into 2 by root 3, that equal to 2 by root 3. And last trigonometric ratio is cot theta, where theta is 30 degrees, where cot 30 equal to cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So 1 by tan 30, that equal to 1 by, where cot 30 equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is the tan 30 value. So here 1 by root 3, just you have to substitute. Then simplify 1 into root 3 by 1, you will get root 3. These 6 are the trigonometric ratio of 30 degrees, and sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, and tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Sin reciprocal is cosecant. Cosecant 30 equal to, directly you can write 1 by 2 means 2 by 1. Again secant 30 equal to 2 by root 3 as well as cot 30 equal to root 3. This is the answer. If you want to learn more videos,